Hello everybody, I just wanted to jump on here really quick before I let you guys watch the whole video without me interrupting to announce my giveaway. So, this is how it's gonna work. You have a week to enter. You can enter by commenting on this video below. You can say anything you want, any comment counts as an entry. And after a week, I am going to put all those names into a randomizer and pick somebody. But if you've commented on my videos before, especially my old ones, I will count those as extra entries because I want to take into account the people who stuck with me on YouTube this whole time for my first giveaway. So it's technically a 3K giveaway, but it's also technically like a thank you for sticking with me giveaway. I will announce the winner in next week's video. And I'll put their screen name up on the screen. The winner will have 1 week to email me at my business email, which I'll put on the bottom here. It's catherinemichelecleans@gmail.com, and send me a suitable address. And then I will send the stuff to you. And that's how easy it is. So the giveaway is super fun products from Grove for your house and cleaning products. So don't enter if you don't want that kind of stuff, obviously. So okay, I'm done talking. Here's a speed cleaning video.
I would like to go there at the back of the house where a high school teacher caught us when making out. You and me, perfect strangers, but really not at the same time. Nothing can come between us. You and me, we're staying alive, alive, forever alive. So hear me out, I'm telling you now, we're gonna go all the way up, 'cause we got it all figured it out. For the both of us, we've been rolling out, top down. Telling you now, we're gonna go all the way up, 'cause we got it all figured it out. For the both of us, we've been rolling out, top down. When we are together, we're like the fountain of youth. I can hear them talking so far away from the truth. You and me won't take notice of any smooth talk or bad vibes. Climbing up and you know it. You and me, we're staying alive, alive, forever alive. So hear me out, I'm telling you now, we're gonna go all the way up, 'cause we got it all figured it out. For the both of us, we've been rolling out, top down. Telling you now, we're gonna go all the way up, 'cause we got it all figured it out. For the both of us, baby. You make it so hard for a guy like me, rocking those hips like nobody. Yeah, girl, you're so overwhelming. You're like a song to which my heartbeat is playing. Like, oh, na 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 na. There's a poison in your lip, and I can't get over it. 'Cause girl, you're so overwhelming. Like, oh, na 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 na. Yeah, still waiting for the time to pass you by. You're out of my league, but maybe if I just get my act together right, I'd catch a moment just right. Yeah, girl, you're so overwhelming. You're like a song to which my heartbeat is playing. Like, oh, na 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 na. There's a poison in your lip, and I can't get over it. 'Cause girl, you're so overwhelming. Like, oh, na 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 na. Yeah, I can't hold it no longer. I can't hold it no longer. I can't control it. You're in my skin. I'm moving closer with every beat. I can't control it. You're everything. To feel your heartbeat is all I need. Yeah, girl, you're so overwhelming. You're like a song to which my heartbeat is playing. Like, oh, na 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 na. There's a poison in your lip, and I can't get over it. 'Cause girl, you're so overwhelming. Like, oh, na 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 na. Yeah, I can't hold it no longer. I can't hold it no longer. Yeah. Can't get a hold of my obsession. I just want you in my possession. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Never giving up this time for real. Oh, wake up, break up. Wake up, break up. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Wake up, break up. Never been good at show discretion. It's not my thing, no, my profession. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Never giving up this time for real. Oh, wake up, break up. Wake up, break up. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Wake up, break up. Not no fight.
it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canal, so the mindset I needed. Yeah, I needed. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime, soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I, just you and I. Filling the spaces within.